कितें करपाक रेडी आसा. आतां नॅविगेशन पळय आसा आमगेले अंडर द न्यू दीस सगळे रिवर्स जॉइन केल्ले आसा. आमचे 4 रिवर्स have gone into that nationalization of rivers. आणि MPT ते कितें करपाक आसात पयशे करपाक फॉर द पोर्ट. हे आमकां केन्ना दिश्ट पडलें जेन्ना नाफ्टा शीप जेन्ना आमचे पोर्टांत आयले, जे कोणा नाकारलोली, मागीर इतलो नाफ्टा स्पील जालो, लोक सगळे जे कोस्टल एरिया पळय आसात ते सारके भंयान आसल्यात की आखे तांची हें पेड्डेर जातली, मागीर रिवर पोल्यूट जातली. लाकीली थोडें पोल्यूट जालें तितलें जावंक ना. सो हांव सांगूंक सोदतां MPT गोंयकारांचे मोगान ना, गोंयचे मोगान ना. They will do anything in order to increase their revenue. The Postmaster General Goyana from Maharashtra they going to Bhutan. Same thing in Konkan Railway or Western Railway. तांचे हेडक्वार्टर्स हुबली आहा. हांव आमच्या सरकाराक उलो मारतां. You have to take up with Government of India. All these agencies we want, but recruitment for the class 4, 3 posts, they have to be done in Goa. Bombay सान recruitment नाम कोणता येना कित्याक आम गोंयकार कामाक लागिल्ले जाय. तागेले ऑफिसर पोस्ट जे आसात which are intertransferable हांव ताचेर दाब काडना. पूण हेर आतां पोस्टमॅन कोण आज 10-12 वर्सां जाले देंवन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तांकां आजून रेगुलरायज करूंक ना. सो हांव म्हणना म्हजो हे जॉब आसा, आय वील टेक अप. कित्याक हे पाट कोवीड जालें आमी हाडूल्ले 6 म्हयने. सो आय वील ऑल्सो टेक अप विथ द मिनिस्ट्री. पूण हांव सीएमाक उल मारूंक सोदतां ह्यो सगल्यो वस्तू जे लोक तुजे दोळ्या मुखार नोदरे मुखार हाडूंक कोत्तात, don't punish them for trying to bring to your notice. दोळे उक्ती दवर आनी कान उक्ती दवर. They are totally opposing the 3 projects that are sort of BJP is trying to bring to the state of Goa. First is doubling of South Western Railway tracks from Keselov to Vasco da Gama. Well, we all know that they'll be cutting so many trees from the forest, sort of destroying flora and fauna. But then, if you really go deep into this, why they want to do this double tracking? कोणाचे फायद्याक? Just for the profit of few corporate.
Mostly they come under the central. How you will become this?
But don't forget, it is true. But acquisition of land and all these things have to be done by the state. And here, MP, now I am MP in the opposition. Many a time, a MP from the opposition is a voice in the wilderness. To get a corn idea. So Sarkaran, in the interest of the state, has to first take up with the central government and whatever things they have done, bring to our notice, because I am one of the ambassadors from Goa to the central government, so that I can follow it up with the government of India.